pronouns which are used to make a question are known as interrogative pronouns. Examples include who, was, which, whom, what. Now we will discuss each interrogative pronoun in detail. Who. It is used with persons in the subjective case. Example. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Whom. It is used for persons in the objective case. Example. Whom do you want to see? Whose. It is used in the possessive case. Example. Whose are these books? Which. It is used for both persons and things. Example. Which is the longest river in India? What. It is used for things. Example. What can I give you? What are you and who are you? What are you refers to the profession and who are you refers to the name or other particulars. Example. What is she? She is a teacher. Another example. Who is she? She is Miss Vijaya. What plus be plus like. It is used to make a request for a description. Example. What is the day like? The day is very hot. What does he, she, it look like? It is used to talk about physical appearance. Example. What does the sky look like? It looks like dark and cloudy. What plus for. It is used in the sense of why. Example. What are you doing it for? Sometimes ever is used with interrogative pronouns to express surprise, astonishment, anger, irritation and dismay. Example. Whoever spoiled my papers. This is an irritation. Note. This type of question always expresses